Hey y'all, I'm gonna start off by moisturizing my face and also applying the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer. I mixed them together, but that's what I'm doing right here. Next, I'm going to go in with my Damp Beauty Blender and my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in 355 Coconut. And I'm just going to put that all over my face. And I'm also going to put it on my neck because I have a little bit of hyperpigmentation there. Now I'm highlighting with the Black Opal Foundation Stick in Truly Topaz. And of course, now I'm going to blend it out with my mini beauty blender that I got from shopmissa.com. I really like it, just probably because it's so small, but it's just really easy to use and it blends out perfect. Now, right after I finish blending this out, that would be the perfect time to go in with some Sasha Buttercup powder or Ben Nye banana powder, but I don't have any of those right now, so I didn't do it. Also, this is a drugstore makeup tutorial, and you can't find those in your local drugstores, so they didn't make the cut, basically. Now this is a Black Radiance contour stick. I'm not sure what the shade is. I think it's 0068 or 58 or something like that. But I'm just going to go in and contour with that. And of course we're going to blend our life away, okay? You want to blend every single thing that you do. And don't forget to subscribe to me, okay? Now I'm about to brush my eyebrows up with my spoolie. I started off using the e.l.f. brow pomade in dark brown, I believe, but first of all, I didn't like how it looked on me anymore. Maybe like every couple months or so, I need to get a different shade of whatever I'm using on my brows. But also, I'm really liking this brow pencil from AOA Studio, so that's what I went in with next. And I made a little mistake, but I'm gonna clean it up later. Now I am just cleaning up under my brows with LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And I've sped it up because I do have an eyebrow tutorial video already up on my channel, so check that out if you need to. I'm about to mess up my brow. Oh my goodness. I just did it. I'm gonna go back and fix it, of course, but sheesh. Now I'm going in with the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in light to medium. And I'm just using that to set the cream contour that I did and warm up my face some more. Here I'm highlighting using this fan brush I got from shopmissa.com and my City Color Collection highlighting powder. It doesn't have a shade, but that's what I'm using. And I'm also going to use the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in Precious Petals because that is bomb. Now I'm just going to be using this Maybelline New York Great Lash Mascara. And I'm going to be putting that on my top and bottom lashes. Now I'm going back in with the City Color Collection highlighting powder, just using that in my inner corner for a little extra pop. I don't remember off the top of my head what shade this is, but this is NYX lip gloss, and I'm going to use my contour stick to outline my lips so it doesn't look so crazy. But this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.